going on, everybody? If you're doing projects around your house and you need a little bit of support, you can build your own sawhorses for about $20 to $25. I'm going to build them out of 5 2x4s. I personally am going to need a couple sawhorses to help finish out this shop, as well as the countless projects that we're going to be building. So let's get to work. Alright guys, got all of our pieces cut here. We have 8 30-inch pieces, 4 32-inch pieces, and then 2 29-inch pieces. These 30-inch pieces are going to be the 4 legs on each of them. The 32-inch pieces and the 29-inch piece, that's kind of going to create like an eye, and then you drill the legs into the side. I'll show you how to do it here right now. Alright, so we have put together our eyes here. The only thing left to do is screw in the legs, and we are done with this project. Alright guys, got our sawhorses built here. This took under an hour, it was under $25. Something like this, simple, affordable, can help you out on a variety of projects that you have going on in your house. They are also stackable, so they won't both just be in your way. Hope that this video was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you on the next build.